Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to share Unity project with someone. First of all, what you have to do is go to the Unity Cloud. Once you're in the Unity Cloud, you have to sign in with your account. Now, once you're signed in, then you will be able to see all of your projects in the dashboard. If you click on projects, you will see all of the projects that you have created in the past. For example, I have only created only single project, so it is showing me my project in the project section. If I go to dashboard, you will be able to see everything in a single place. Now, to share your project, what you can do is go to administration, click on it, and from here you will be able to see some options. You have to click on members. Now, in this member section, you have to invite a person into your organization so they can access your project files. So in how to invite them, first of all, what you have to do is go to the top right corner. You will see a blue button called Invite Organization Members. If you click on it, this pop-up window will appear. And here you have to type in the email of the person that you want to invite or you want them to access. So what you have to do is ask them their email address, which is connected to the Unity account. Then you have to type in their email. For instance, I have typed in their email, and in the user type, you can either select the person who is coming to see your project files is the guest or the user or the manager or the owner. So you can give any access. For instance, I will give the manager access and I will click on send invite, and the invite will be sent to the email address. If they accept the invite, they will be able to see my project in Unity. And that's how you can share Unity project files with someone. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.